This is the scale tool. It will help us think about the sizes of things we can observe and of things that are too small to see. We'll start at the observable scale, or the scale we can see. This box is 1 meter tall. We can tell that the human is almost 2 boxes tall, or just under 2 meters. Let's move the slider to the right to see the larger objects. If we move to the left, we can compare smaller objects. Each time the color of the background changes, it indicates that we have zoomed to a different scale. A jellyfish is less than 1 meter long. Now we are at the scale of the human heart. This is a tiny breadcrumb, and this is the width of a human hair. A red blood cell is too small to see with our eyes. This is a microorganism called E. coli. It's a living thing, but it's even smaller than a red blood cell. You can only see it through a microscope. Throughout the microbiome unit, we'll be thinking about tiny microorganisms like this one. They may be small, but they're very important.